This is the G2 Laser Marker, an ultra-portable industrial-grade fiber laser marker. Equipped with a 20-watt fiber laser and high-speed galvanometer, it can easily engrave various materials. It has an engraving speed that is more than 10 times faster than competing products, and the engraving accuracy has been improved to 0.001 millimeters. Wow, such a big helmet. What should we do? Don't worry, this is how it's solved. With its compact size, you can easily place it anywhere. Want more interesting patterns? So easy. Just take a photo anytime and start engraving. With its large working area and electric lifting feature, even large objects can be easily engraved. It can also easily handle objects with irregular surfaces and even rotate the main unit directly to adapt to any engraving angle. Batch processing is more efficient. Whether it's large tools or small accessories, it can handle them easily. You just imagine and leave the rest to the G2 Laser Marker.